Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the MCQ type question in the chapter Economic Reform. The first question, when was the new economic policy announced? The option are A 1981, B 1991, C 1993, D 1995. The correct answer is option B, that is 1991. Second question, which of the following was the reason for introductions of economic reform in India? The options are raising fiscal deficits, B. Inflationary pressure, C. Declining foreign exchange reserve, D. All of these. The right answer is option D. All of these. Now, third question. LPG stand for A. License, permit and globalization, B. License, privatization and globalization, C. Liberalization, privatization, globalization, D. Liberalization, privatization, globalization, cooperation. The correct answer is option C, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization. Now, question number 4. Which of the following economic reform was intended by the government under the liberalization policy? The options are A. Only one above, B. Only two, C. Both one and two, D. All of above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 5. Which of the following change was not a part of industrial sector reform under the liberalization policy? Options are A. De-reservations of various goods produced by small scale industry, B. Government to determine price of all the community for maximizations of social welfare, C. Significant reduction in the industry reserve for public sector, D. Abolitions of licensing policy. The right answer option B, that is government to determine the price for all the community for maximizations of social welfare. Now question number 6, under the new economic policy 1991, how many industry were reserved for public sector? The options are A 8, B 17, C 12, D 2. The right answer is option A, that is 8. Question number 7. At present, which of the following industry are reserved for public sector? The options A. Railway, B. Atomic energy generation, C. Cotton textile, D. Both A and B. The right answer is option D. Both A and B. Now question number 8. Which of the following are included in the financial sector in India? A. Banking and non-banking financial institution, B. Stock exchange market, C. Foreign exchange market, D. All of the above. The right answer all of the above. Question number 9. Which of the following change is not consequence of the financial sector introduced in India in the year 1991? A. Establishment of private sector bank, Indian as well as foreign. B. Foreign Investment Limited Bank was raised. C. RBI have no control over the commercial bank. D. Foreign institutional investors are now allowed to invest in Indian market. The right answer is option C. RBI has no control over the commercial bank. Question number 10th. Mudra Bank was set up to cater to credit need of the which of the following? A. Farmers, B. Micro, small and medium enterprises, C. Larger enterprises, D. Exporter and import. The right answer is B. Micro, small and medium enterprises. Thank you.